The world of crypto is exploding, and those who don't keep up just get left behind. So much has happened in the crypto space this year, but somehow we have managed to squeeze all of the important stories into this one video. So without waiting any further, let's start counting down on the top 6 crypto developments of 2021. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum hit new all-time highs. Bitcoin in December 2020, crossing the $20,000 peak it had achieved back in December 2017, and Ether in January this year, breaking its $1,386 high of January 2018. But it did not stop there. Both have since more than tripled from the new peaks, setting unprecedented growth standards for cryptocurrencies. The highs have prompted big players like Michael Saylor and Tesla to begin stocking up on Bitcoin by putting Bitcoin on the balance sheet, giving a further boost to the cryptocurrency. This move has generally been chalked up to the value of crypto as an inflation hedge, and of course, in the long run, as an alternative to currency at large. As for Ethereum, the EIP 1559 update succeeded in streamlining the network to a great degree, also giving it the status of ultrasound money. However, this did lead to very high gas fees on the primary Ethereum network, which saw a lot of users having to depend on layer 2 apps or alternate layer 1 networks. Some of these alt L1s, such as Solana, Avalanche and Terra, are all growing steadily with considerable TVLs under the belt already. Arguably crypto's biggest company, Coinbase, IPO'd in April 2021. Coinbase has played a crucial role in establishing crypto as an asset class that is worth investing in by setting up a capable centralized exchange for crypto, familiarizing it with regular investors. Coinbase's direct listing went a long way in legitimizing the crypto industry as a scalable business. But what was also interesting was that all Coinbase employees received 100 shares ahead of the IPO, very much similar to airdrops that happen for crypto tokens. Coinbase is currently the biggest player in crypto trading, but maybe not for long. A lot of decentralized layer 2 platforms have featured prominently as exchanges, such as DYDX and Uniswap. Layer 2 apps have been out before, but this year saw full-fledged trustless platforms with efficient smart contract execution starting to prove the real potential of the crypto network. And this is not just a passing observation. It has been proven in stories and numbers as well. One such instance was when 17,000 contributors came together on the Constitution DAO, a crazy crowdfunding event to buy the US Constitution itself, which succeeded in collecting more than $47 million on the Ethereum-based platform. In terms of trade, Uniswap became the first decentralized trading platform to process over $100 billion of volume. This heralds the rise of DeFi over centralized finance platforms like Coinbase. DYDX also occasionally surpassed Coinbase in terms of volume processed. Centralized finance still has the upper hand right now, but at this rate, DeFi is set to soon take over in coming years. The blanket ban on crypto was of course a massive letdown for crypto investors in China, putting an end to not just crypto mining, but all kinds of crypto infrastructure in the country. However, this has led to a mass exodus of proof-of-work systems from China to other parts of the world, indicating a global shift of crypto power. China does have an entire digital currency network in the works, but of course, this is going to be centralized, making things perhaps a bit smoother, but with all of the power still in the hands of the government. At the other end of the spectrum, Bitcoin was made legal tender on El Salvador. This is a huge move for a country to make, as well as a risky one, given that the market surrounding Bitcoin and crypto in general is still really volatile. As much as this venture has been criticized by the IMF and other governments, it is still possible that we might one day look back at this as a masterstroke that was way ahead of its time, possibly giving El Salvador's economy a massive head start over all others. Meanwhile, somewhere in between, the US infrastructure bill saw a lot of regulatory muscle being brought down on crypto. This has opened up an entire new discourse with a lot of different sides, all trying to make sense of how crypto fits into the economy, or how the economy fits into crypto. Needless to say, 2021 was a huge year for NFTs. As a way to authenticate and monetize digital creations, NFTs gave a lot of power to artists and creators, creating a market that was practically non-existent before. Beeple and Pack's works selling for prices breaking art history records, the sustained popularity of CryptoPunks and other tokenized profile pictures bleeding into regular social media, Ape NFTs breaking Sotheby's estimates, all sound like a technology-embedded future that surprised us by arriving really soon. Volumes of NFT-based game Axie Infinity and trading platform OpenSea shot through the roof, dealing in billions on a regular basis. Web 3.0 and the metaverse at large is well and truly upon us, And what more is left to say when crypto technology is evidently becoming an active part of our daily lives? If you liked the video, please do drop a like. And remember to subscribe to our channel and keep mining crypto knowledge. Its price only seems to keep going up.